Author digitalworldvision.online created. On the date the 9th of December 2022. Digital Marketing Guide: How to create the optimal website to rank #1 in local search on Google in 2023. There are 3 ways to rank on the #1 page of Google as follows. Paid listings are available. The sponsored section of the search results is based on the Google Ads bidding process, formerly Google AdWords. The position of the advertisers is determined by how much they are committed to pay per click, PPC, when the keyword they bid on is entered. There is no monthly cost for appearing, you get charged when somebody clicks on the link to your webpage. PPC is an effective model to promote your business, and it should be regarded as a short-term strategy. Some auto services keywords may cost up to $12 per click, which adds up exponentially. Maps on Google. Top 3 map listings are essential for auto mechanics. They display whenever Google considers a search to ever be local. Google understands users search for auto mechanics plus your city are researching for local automotive providers in their locality, so presents map listings accordingly. To appear in Google Maps, you should first submit your vehicle service business information to Google Business Profile. However, the biggest mistake is to not use a SEO expert. The difference in results is outstanding. There are over 200 algorithm ranking factors across local search. The algorithm is changed hundreds of times a year. We study that algorithm daily, every day. Unlike paid advertisements, map listings are organic, which indicates that websites are positioned solely on Google's search algorithm. The algorithm is not luck. In fact, much of it is very predictable for SEO experts. These major factors are completely unknown by web designers, and why an SEO expert is the critical missing components to online success. Listings that are organic. The websites that display in organic results and maps are there because Google considers them to be of the highest quality and most relevant to the search query. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of obtaining a ranking in Google's organic and map results. Auto mechanic SEO is a medium to a long commitment. However, once you earn a position in Google search results, there really is no cost per click to retain this placement. Where do people tend to click? Paid listings generate around 30% of clicks, with the balance 70% going toward map and organic listings. So the next automobile repair marketing challenge is: what are the most common car service keywords? Understanding what potential auto service customers are searching for is a vital part of any auto mechanics SEO or digital marketing strategies. Listen on as I provide a list of the most relevant keywords to understand. Auto mechanic. Your city. Auto mechanics. Your city. Car mechanic. Your city. Mobile mechanic. Your city. BMW mechanic. Your city. Audi mechanic. Your city. Ford mechanic. Your city. Toyota mechanic. Your city. Car service. Your city. Car service cost. Car battery replacement. Car repairs. Your city. Radiator repair. Your city. To rank for all these keywords, you will have to include them naturally into all aspects of marketing and AMP, SEO on your website. What is your current ranking? Now, go to Google and type in mechanics. Your city or auto mechanics your city. Go incognito for this search. A top placement on Google's map and organic listings, unlike AdWords, cannot be paid. This must be gained through search engine optimization, often referred as SEO. To maximize visibility in your service region, all auto mechanic marketing must have a local SEO focus. The following are the key components of any auto repair SEO strategy. Making your website easier for Google to locate and comprehend. Creating website content that describes your offerings, informs, and motivates visitors. Creating high-quality links to your website to strengthen your authority. Building social accounts. How good is a website when no one shares it? Let's take a closer look and provide you with some effective automotive services marketing ideas. SEO for car mechanics websites. Optimizing your website for Google can help Google identify, understand, and rank it highly. An SEO audit of your website is a great move, but a few easy optimization techniques will have an impact. Ensure that Google and Bing has indexed your website. If no results appear for site yourcompany.com.au, or if your homepage does not come first, there is a major problem. Is your company's address listed on your website? Make certain to attract local rankings and auto-service customers. Create SEO-friendly meta tags for your homepage. The meta title and meta description are essential since they control how you appear in search results. To establish your true rating, they should comprise several of the local auto-service phrases we explained earlier along with your main services. To establish your genuine rating, they should comprise several of the local auto-service phrases we explained earlier along with your main services. If your website doesn't at all appear on the very first page, you are losing business to rivals who have understood the benefits of digital marketing for auto mechanics. When you like to adapt and modify the example meta description for your website, now they are: Melbourne Auto Mechanics, Car Services and Repairs. Meta description: Melbourne Auto Mechanics, Car Services and Repairs. Choose professional Melbourne automotive repair service of XYZ Auto. From auto servicing to repairs, we'll maintain your vehicles in fine condition. Ensure that your website is mobile responsive. Google considers this one as a ranking factor and has developed a free mobile-friendly checker to assist you with all of this. Nobody, even Google, needs to wait for a website to load, so make your site speedier than your competitors for an added ranking benefit. Automotive web page copywriting. Most typical auto services websites only have a few pages: home, services, gallery, contact, and possibly a About Us page. Create pages with the information people are looking for to establish to Google that you deserve to be ranked highly than your competition. Here are 3 sorts of website copywriting that will assist you in doing just that. Create separate car service pages for each category of auto services you provide. You are more relevant than likely to appear in search when someone searches for these specific services if you have a tailored web page. As an example: car maintenance, replacement of a battery, service of brakes, radiator service, clutch replacement. A visually pleasing gallery to promote your work is crucial. Original photographs alone will not persuade visitors or Google of your skill. Creating automotive articles as well as maintenance helpful recommendations on a regular basis on your blog increases your authority in the auto mechanic services area and has additional benefits. If customers in your region search for LED versus halogen headlights or how to choose the top-rated tires, they will only discover you if you have written about it. And what is more, guess what? Who will they contact if they decide to seek expert assistance? Create local landing pages. There is quite a bit to this and cannot be explained in this presentation. Next, this is in the top 3 most important factors way ahead of reviews any SEO expert will advise so. Automotive repair citation building for your business website. Links for your website are a major indicator that Google examines to determine where you should rank in search results. When another website connects to yours, it acts like a vote about you and your company. Quality comes before volume, so don't be drawn into it by spammy messages offering hundreds of links. People will organically connect to your website if the material is good enough, and it pays to be proactive. Other automotive trade websites to look for chances include car blogs and forums, parts supplier websites, and auto industry associations. People search for and trust online reviews, so urge your customers to submit feedback on your map listing and other websites. Building a 5-star online reputation in early will result in more visits from search results. Auto mechanic social media. With 14 million Australians spending an average of 50 minutes each day on Facebook, creating a Facebook business page is an excellent method to stay top of mind. Considering starting a blog? This type of educational, interesting, or inspiring information is great for growing your social media audience. Add in images from recent jobs, customer reviews, plus information from other car service websites. Overdoing the sales pitch is the easiest way to put people off your articles. To be well accepted, keep your articles 90% educational and 10% sales. Summary of digital marketing for auto mechanics for websites in 2023. Can digital marketing and SEO for mechanics help a business grow? Absolutely. It's now effective for your competitors. Implementing the automotive industry SEO techniques spoken about in this video will put you on the correct course to boosting your company's profits.